chest pain. Along with cough, patient comes that their chest is having pain, is an indication of a pleural or chest wall. If a person is getting cough after having food, after the ingestion of the food, if they develop cough, just you get dry cough, there won't be any sputum. If we continuously cough for a long, definitely there will be production of the sputum. Violent coughing, if patient is coughing and if that cough is violent, which causes bronchial spasm continuous, because there is no relaxation of the bronchial smooth muscle. So what happens after this violent cough, means continuous irritative cough, there is a chance for patients developing bronchial spasm, bronchial obstruction, and further there will be irritation of the bronchi, and finally patients may develop syncope.